Okay, today I'll show you how to fix a laptop or PC black screen or dead screen, whatever. Let me show you. See, look careful. The power is on, the screen is black. Now check if your fan is working. Listen to the sound of the fan and just keep your hand near the fan, and if you can feel the spinning of the fan, then okay, there must be the LCD cable is good, probably it's the RAM. So now what you have to do is you just power it off by removing the the battery. Absolutely there has to be a forced shutdown. Now once you are done with removing the battery and power shutdown, open the back panel. Remove the RAM and check it. Sometimes these see the RAM, it's because of the okay, I need to focus. Probably the RAM is damaged or it's not clean. So you can try cleaning with eraser, pencil eraser, these edges with a pencil eraser, and if it's still not working, then try using a new RAM. And I did try with a pencil eraser, but it's not working since this RAM is already damaged. So I'll put the new RAM. This is the new RAM. GB. I'll just insert this one and have to make sure you check the here it says DDR3, so you have to search for a compatible one. If your laptop is a DDR3, you have to use a RAM with DDR3. So now we got a new RAM with a DDR3. So let's see if it works or it's gonna solve my problem. Let's see. Let's have a look. Okay, it's not warm still. Let me have a check it. Okay, now let's see how it turns out. It won't turn on. Disassemble everything once. and see it again. Pencil eraser should be the one for cleaning this, but I don't have pencil eraser at the moment, so I'll use this clothes. Okay, now it's working now. So it's probably the RAM, and make sure when you insert a new RAM, make sure you clean the slot properly, because the previous RAM, which has been damaged, may have left some of the dirt on it. So make sure to clean the slot as well as the newly inserted one. A little dirt could probably stop the laptop from opening the window. So that's it for today, guys. How to fix a black screen or dead screen.